Hey folks, thanks for stopping by. Today's project is going to be some small salt and pepper shakers from a couple pieces of Spectra ply. Stick around, we'll get started. So for stock preparation, all I did was cut a chunk to the proper length. This is for the little salt and pepper shakers. Drilled a 1-inch hole almost to the bottom so that it just fits in there. Now to mount it on the lathe, I took a chunk of elm and mounted it up in my chuck. I took a parting tool and made a 1-inch tenon. And I left myself a little bit of room here to get a tool in when I get up to the top of it so that I can round over the top of it nicely. So let me get a parting tool and I'll start roughing this down to round. I'll probably make a cove in the center and then round the bottom off and round the top off. Just a real simple shape. That's cool. Let me grab some sandpaper and get after it. Grab some friction polish, see what that does for it. Very cool. Okay. Let me motor through the second one and fast forward, and I'll be back at the end. Okay, so that is that. What I'll probably do is put a little dab of hot glue on the bottom of this when I sit in there. It just bottoms out right almost there, so a little bit of hot glue ought to raise it up just a tiny little bit. And once I do, that should be finished. Thanks for sticking with me. If it's your first time here, please be sure to hit subscribe, comment, like, tell me what you like, tell me what you don't like. I try to put out one of these about every week or so. I've got some interesting stuff coming up. I've got some equipment on the way. And that's all I'll say about that. So, take care.